Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this Python SQL practical series. So in practical number 8, we have to write a program to find the sum of squares of first and natural numbers. So in order to do this, we have to first go to open our browser. I will go to this, then I will open Colab here. I will search for the Colab, then I will go to Google Colab. So I will open a new notebook. So this will be our practical number 8. So I can write practical number 8. Then I can write a program and sum of squares of first natural numbers. So first we will first define a function to find the sum of the squares for the first and natural numbers. So then I will define then df then sum of squares then I will write n here. This will be our argument. In this again I will write total. So the total will start from 0. So now I will start a for loop for I in range. So my initial value will be 1 and then my stop value will be n plus 1. So my total will be total plus equal to I exponential of 2. So it will give me I square. Okay. So we can write this way also. Total equal to total plus I exponential of 2 I square. Okay. So then after defining the function we have to return it. So return total. So we want to find the sum of squares of the first suppose we want first ask of 100 natural numbers. So in this case my n will be equal to 100 and result will be sum of squares and so in order to display the result we need to press print sum of squares of natural numbers are as follows. So is as so if I execute this program, I will get okay. So one error is coming here. This should be underscore instead of hyphen, and one error is here. I should write result after comma. Now if I execute this program, I'm getting this sum of the first 100 natural number is this. Suppose if I want to find sum of first 1000 natural numbers, I have to replace n e- equal to 1000. So means for each time I have to replace it. But what if I use an input function here? So instead of n equal to 100, I will write input, then enter value of n. Since I'm using inverted comma here, I have to use double inverted comma out. Okay. Now it will ask me to enter the value of n, then I can just use this. So since n will be our integer, so I will just replace int here and put a bracket here and one bracket after this. Now if I execute this program, now it will first ask me to enter the value of n. So suppose if I want to enter 1000, then it will give me sum of squares of 100 natural number is this. Suppose if I re-execute this program, if I want to get this much 10,000 value, then I will press enter. So sum of the square of 10,000 natural number is this much. Okay, I hope you are getting it. So this is in the practical number 8. See you in the practical number 9. Thank you very much.